Hello everyone. So I am making this video regarding my observation about people who are asylum seekers in Germany, been living in Germany since a long time. So basically what happened, I met a guy who is almost 10 years in Germany and had been seeking asylum. After 10 years in Germany, he came from a country like Bangladesh, and I have seen people who come from India, Pakistan and Middle Eastern countries which have some conflict, or some of these people might actually have no reason to take asylum but they are faking their asylum. Anyways, that's not my concern. What I'm going to say is that I like to help people, and this is my concern about those people. So these people have not been able to integrate in the country since they were, most of them, uneducated. They were not able to educate themselves and bring a better life in the country they moved to. So they received the government which was required and which was necessary, but at the same time these people were not able to educate themselves or put themselves in a position to have a better secured financial integration. Of them young men who were be 10 years back 20, but now they are 30 plus men, and the life situation and the conditions, circumstances are not the same. And then these people, due to their lack of integration, lack of education and lack of financial responsibilities by themselves, they should be able to work, but because they have not been able to do anything productive in life to be able to finance their own life, and they're isolated socially, they have no relationships, mostly they know only people who are just like them, if they know anybody. And this is a mental health crisis in Germany, and maybe also the countries who were just like Germany, open to asylum seekers. I am saying with all my responsibility and my concern that this problem needs to be addressed, because we see a lot of people in the news. Some of these people have been psychotic, suicidal, and basically we need to take care of these people before it's too late, because you don't know what kind of crisis you are letting your country into. Like 100,000 of men without any perspective in life, without any financial support. They might be dealing with drugs, they are taking substances. You see all clinics, psychiatric clinics, there are a lot of people who have asylum seeking background. This is not good for Germany or any other country at all, because these people can be frustrated from life, and reactions you can see for sure in the news.